Good morning, everybody. It's Florida Bro Will right here. We over here at Fort Pickens Pass, man. We're gonna try to see if we can get on some of this Spanish mackerel like everybody been telling us that they've been over here. It's early, so we should hopefully have some good luck, man. Hopefully the fish guys look down on us and get what be in our favor this morning. Fellas, what it do, dude? Good. Yeah, man, yeah. Jay hooked up again, man. Yeah, he definitely in regulation. I tell you, these bluefish were fired up over there with that pile line over there, man. It was just back-to-back action. I mean, stop, dude. You guys are getting ready to see it. Oh shit, man, y'all. See that? Almost my bad. Dude in his lip. My bad. He let it go. Good thing he had some glasses. Again, my apologies, dude. He hit my glasses. I wish you would have let me buy you some glasses or something, but he was pretty good. No? He's a pretty nice dude, man. I'm so dearly sorry. You got a mark right there, popping that guy. Sorry about that, bro. Man, I had a bluefish. Saved my eye. Hit my gotcha lure. I think I got your line too. When I went to set the hook, it just right out of his mouth came completely out, and I smacked. He went down, and I went up. Sorry, dude. But yeah, man, the bluefish were fired up over at Fort Pickens Pass, and we was on them, man. We was ready for them that morning. We was looking to get on some Spanish mackerel, maybe some king running up through there, but we didn't find any. So we just accepted for what God gave us that day, and then we moved on. Later on in the video, you'll see, and there's another bluefish I hooked up on right there. He was a nice size. I didn't keep any. I gave him all to Jay. He said his dad loved him. I don't really eat him, but hey, let's go. And again, man, that fella right there, man, that's Salt Life Jay fishing channel, man. If you're not subscribed to his channel, man, do so now. I'm gonna leave his link in the description down below. You guys go down there and click on his page, man. Go check it out. Go check out his content. If you ain't already subscribed, like and give him a big subscribe, man. And we really appreciate everything, man. We appreciate the love and support. Man, I've been killing them all morning. But so yeah, as you can see, man, we just tossing out those lures, man. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the gotcha is one of my favorite lures, man. And what we was doing was we was just tossing it right in between these pylons, right in front, right there, and the pier that we're fishing off of. And as you can see, man, I am wailing them, man. I'm talking. The gotcha lure is very effective for anyone who likes to throw lures. I just became a big fan of lures or whatever. And honestly, the gotcha is my favorite one, obviously, because you'll see me using the gotcha lure in a lot of my videos. And yeah, man, and we was fired up on them. They were fired up, man. We had a good time, but the action packed is gonna be next. Once we leave from over Fort Pickens, we head over to Pensacola Beach Fishing Pier, and oh my goodness, you guys gonna see. Dang, man. Yeah, that's not the one you want to get. yeah, as you can see, man, we got boats and stuff flying up and down through the honestly, the bike it kind of slowed down right around this particular time for some reason I don't know. I mean, the guys around us they was catching a few still, but around this time it had really slowed down. It kind of died off. As you can see, I think I'm gonna toss it out there maybe twice, 3 times before something actually nails it again. And so yeah, man, we just kind of one different scenery. We wanted to get a little bit more action. You know, maybe on some bigger fish, target something special, man. So kind of leave here and then we go on over to Pensacola Beach. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I think this is like the last cast where I just got straight check. Yeah, nailed it right there. He just came and just ate it, man. When I tell you that little blue runner, it hits like a Spanish or something, man. It was just amazing. It was fun. It was fun and all, but yeah, once we kind of look bored, especially when you got a little bored of catching bluefish. Me not really being able to keep any. I just, I wanted to go catch something different, man. So.
Go your channel and let them know what your channel is, man.
Florida Bro Fishing and Outdoor Game, man. Y'all tune in, man. Also, I got a video coming right here too, man. So I'm gonna drop Jay a link down in the description, man. Y'all make sure y'all go down there. If y'all ain't already like and subscribe to the channel, man, y'all make sure y'all do that, man. We're trying to go this thing out here.
Yeah, man. Y'all go ahead, man. I'm gonna plug it, man.
We left from over at Fort Pickens because the bike kind of slowed down and kind of got dead. So we was just over there catching a bunch of blue runners, and then that died off. We seen a couple guys hit on some Spanish mackerel, but I got Salt Life J behind me. And we gonna head over here to Pensacola Fishing Pier, the one right off the beach by the Pensacola Beach Ball, if y'all familiar with it. And try to see what we can do over there, man. We got some bait, plenty of bait left. You know, he's off today, I'm off today. So let's see how it goes, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Between that grass line, hanging out.
Yeah.
I know Angelo Brett was this close.
Yeah.
And so yeah, man, at this point, this is where we make it to Pensacola Beach Fishing Pier. On this very cloudy day, it actually started to rain on us. I think I pointed out a few fish when we was walking up here, but here you're gonna see me catch a pinfish, and he straight jack nailed it, man. He was a healthy little fella, man. I reeled him on in and got a few shots with him. Even though it's not really too much to get shots with, but the kids love it, so hey. Okay, yeah, so this is what we're doing. Bro, I had that tarpon on. That's just a little clip of the end of it, man. But yeah, man, he gave me a straight reward for my money. When I tell you, he hit it, and he was gone. Dude. He had jumped out of the water right there. You guys can see the splash out. He actually jumped a couple of times. There's another splash. And I thought he let go, but what he did was he turned and he ran back.
Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
There we go again. He's running. He's gone. Look, I tried to stop him. Dude, this tarpon had to be at least 6 feet long, man. It had to be at least 6 feet long, man. I tried to loosen my drag. Not too loose, but just enough for I can kind of keep him to go. Still, it kind of tire itself out. But yeah, there's no tiring out for the tarpon. So, better luck next time with me and hooking up on tarpon. Although this was my first time actually hooking up on one. So now that I got a little experience on what I'm dealing with, now I know a better approach to come at them next time. It's funny now that I go back and look at it, dude, because I was trying to do everything in my God-given power, man, to stop this dude. And yeah, it was no stopping this dude. It wasn't even no slowing him down, man. He straight made me look like an amateur, man. And I love it, dude. I love it. I know what to do next time. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. But it was all fun. It was all fun.
Yep. There you go.
As y'all can see, man, I just hooked up to a tarpon, man, out here with South Life J. Man, that was a fun fight, dude. I ain't have no leader on there, but I hooked him on gotcha lure. No live bait, no dead bait or whatever. I've been straight fishing like a man today. But yeah, man, it was fun. He lasted a couple of minutes. He ran me a good little while. But the cool thing is, I lost my lure, but the cool thing is I got all my line back. So let's rig him up again and go at him again. Stay tuned.
This guy right here, he hooked up on a king mackerel, man. This gotta be the biggest king mackerel I've seen in a while. I want to say it was about
Nice king down
37, 38 inches, somewhere around up in there. I'm talking a freaking stud, dude. Stay tuned, man. Look at this beautiful fish, dude. Look at this beautiful fish.
Good job, bro.
Good shot, dude.
Good shot, dude.
Outside of the mouth. Oh, or am I just spraying?
No, you're right in his eyeball.
Woo!
Nice king, bro.
Hell yeah. Second cast with that swim bait ever.
Didn't I tell you he was a freaking stud, man? I'm talking a freaking stud. Look at that guy, man. He is awesome. Just give it a second. I'm gonna give you a better look of that fish. So let's get it up. I'm gonna get him to hold it up for the camera, man. It is just a giant, man. Right off the Pensacola Beach Pier.
Yeah, man.
Fishing with a swim bait.
You hold him up, buddy?
And he was absolutely
good job.
I'm not gonna move
Look
my
at
fingers.
that.
I don't
Yeah, I already know, man.
I'm holding it weird. But
Good job.
Thanks,
though,
bud. If you ever watch this video, man, I appreciate that. And always remember, guys, tight lines, man. If you're ever having a bad day, just get up and go fishing.